Bitch, shut the fuck up, bitch. Bitch talking to me.
I mean, everybody wants to be the only one on the planet. Nobody wants to share the space.
Repeatedly said you needed me and cheated me. Said you would call me on the phone. I got it together now. I'm gone.
Please, would you mind?
I turned it off. Excuse me. The only way you can hear it is because the noise stopped from the bar running. So that's the only way. Yes, it is.
Man, just shut the fuck up.
You talking to him, so why the fuck is you talking to me?
Listen to it.
Well, talk to him. You was talking
to him.
Oh, fuck! It's more people on this. It's more people on this board than you, and you the only one saying something to me though. You the only one saying something to me though. Please, let me just enjoy my life, please. Without a motherfucking
share the space with other people. You not the girl on the